Hey guys, it's Kylie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be me doing my makeup while I am recording a transition reel, and the start of the reel is what I'm doing right in the beginning of the video. I'm just trying to get my initial transition down before I start doing my makeup. I never have a plan, or I should say I don't usually have a plan. I like to try to make a plan if I remember, but I'm so used to just winging it that there's not usually a plan. So I'll start my transition video and then I'll do some makeup and then I'll go back to the video and then do some more makeup. Basically, I just thrive in chaos. Things are also pretty chaotic while I'm doing my makeup too, because I'll start doing something and then I realize I need something else or I want something different, and then I just it always takes me so long. Whenever I'm doing like a full makeup transition reel, it just takes me hours. I'll start doing this when the sun's up and the room's bright, and then by the time I'm done, it's like dark outside. And then I'm exhausted because I've been doing this all day and I'm just ready for bed. But I absolutely love doing transition reels, and I also absolutely love doing my makeup, so I'm not complaining. After I got my foundation set all over my face, now I'm just highlighting the parts of my face that I want lighter with a lighter colored concealer. And at this time, I decided it's time to add another clip to my transition video. So I was adding the reels that I had done to the ends of my videos because I've done a few others like these on my page, because I have done a few others like these that I've posted on YouTube here, so if you would like to check them out, you can go to my channel to find them. However, I'm pretty sure that YouTube gives me the copyright thing because of the music, which I guess would be common sense, but I just didn't think of it when I was originally uploading the videos. But anyways, so if you would like to see how the reel turned out, then I recommend going to my Instagram and seeing it there. And my favorite reel transition videos stemmed from like late 2022 to 2023. So if you're interested in seeing what I deem to be like the peak era of reels, then that's the time frame that I recommend you go check out. So now that I got all of the wet products down, I guess, like the foundation, concealer, and all that, now I am setting my face with powder, and then I'm adding a darker contour color around the outside of my face. I never really go too intense with contouring. I know some people also use cream contour on top of their foundation and then they use a powder contour, but I feel like whenever I do that, it just makes it too dark for me, and then it gets too muddy, and I really just all around don't like it. So even though by the time I'm done doing my makeup I look pretty different than how I normally look, I still feel like I'm very similar to myself, since the contour and the highlight is not really as harsh as it could be. I hope that makes sense. Sometimes when I'm talking and doing these voiceovers, I just feel like as I'm talking, it makes no sense whatsoever. I feel like pretty much most of this is just, like, you can just see what I'm doing, so I don't really feel like I need to tell you about every single thing. So I'm just gonna let the rest of the video play with some music, and I will come back at the end to say some other random nonsense. So enjoy! Alright, so I'm at the end of the makeup look and now it's outfit changing time. And time to just put everything together for the ending of the transition reel. And this is my favorite part because it's just when everything comes together, and who doesn't love that? This is always the part when I feel the absolute best too. And there's a lot of times where as I'm doing my makeup and stuff, I feel, I don't know, like I'm just not feeling it. It's not giving me like the vibes or anything. But once I put on my outfit, I change the lighting and all of that, it comes together. And even if I wasn't feeling it in the beginning, I'm feeling it now. Putting these little sparkly clips in my hair, oh my goodness, I was feeling this so much. And honestly, it was the hair and everything was just giving me like Bratz vibes. The hair, the makeup. I feel like this style of my hair and everything, the makeup, the style of my hair, it was absolutely perfect, and it's probably like my favorite moment I've ever done. Obviously, I loved having blonde hair. I loved having my whole head fun colors. But this moment in this video was just giving everything. Now I'm just finishing up. I'm getting the ending to my transition reel. And I think I might have did a couple transition reels. It always makes more sense to do like 2, 3, 4 videos for each time that I do my makeup. You know, it just kind of makes the most out of what you're doing. So if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed but you like my videos, then I recommend subscribing. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment if you'd like. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!